So now let's talk a little bit about how the NIST Cybersecurity Framework is going to help us in supporting organizational digital transformation. All right, given that digital transformation fundamentally changes our business. It changes our engagement models with our customers, it changes our internal workflows. It requires that cybersecurity not be an IT thing, that some IT person ultimately does, but ultimately become an organizational capability. So the NIST Cybersecurity Framework was created specifically with critical infrastructure in mind, but it certainly could be leveraged and used by any enterprise in any business model. Ultimately, the goal here is really simple. We need to be able to scale our ability to manage security threats at the same time that we are scaling and proliferating digital transformation models and how we engage with customers. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework itself begins with what is called the Framework Core, which we'll talk about at length in this course. The Framework Core is outcome driven, right? There are certain outcomes that your organization wishes to achieve, and there are certain activities that you want to be able to carry out in order to be able to deliver on those outcomes. With that, then, we identify what we'll call implementation tiers. How much organizational rigor does your particular enterprise require? How much do you currently have? And what does that skills gap or what the capability gap look like? And how do we help you then identify a potential roadmap for how you would move from your current state profile to some desired future state? So one of the benefits of adopting the NIST Cybersecurity Framework organizationally in how you approach digital transformation is to ensure that all of your digital transformation practices fundamentally include cybersecurity, that you have or formalize your cybersecurity program, that you're working collaboratively with other kinds of requirements to ensure that you're identifying what your cybersecurity requirements look like, and to be able to use this framework to support you in build-buy decisions, in making access and use of certain types of informative references, the ISO 27001 standard, various other NIST standards, in providing more detailed guidance on how you implement certain types of controls, and to be able to ensure that your methodologies are sufficient not only to help you support the proliferation of abilities to deliver digital solutions to your customers, but to be able to protect the information, protect customer privacy, protect civil liberties as you're going and carrying out your work.